I'm Donna Hoffman. I'm the horticulture educator for Natrona County, and I would encourage all of you to sign up for the Central Wyoming Tree Care Workshop. We're hosting it at the Agriculture Resources and Learning Center at 2011 Fairgrounds Road in Casper, Wyoming on Saturday, April 5th. We'd like to have you sign up before March 31st so we can have a head count for the caterer in time for them to order food for lunch. We are hosting HQ Southern Barbecue for lunch, which is always a great draw. But even better than that, we have 4 wonderful educators coming to help us with the program.
My name is Jean Williams-Woodward. I'm the extension plant pathologist at the University of Wyoming, based out of Laramie, and I'll be speaking on tree diseases or diseases that affect trees in Wyoming. It's called What the Rot, and we'll be talking about tree disease identification as well as also disease management for both deciduous and evergreen trees.
Registration is $40, and after March 31st, registration will be $60.
So come on down to the Central Wyoming Tree Care Workshop and we can fill you in with all the information I know about some of the diseases affecting trees in Wyoming.